Hi there! Today we're going to draw a cute girl. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start from her face. So of course we're going to draw a cute little circle for her face. So let's start over here. Yes, like that. And we're gonna start from this side to connect to the second side. So and connect it like that. Okay, now let's continue making the circle and connect the top. Like that. We're gonna make like a style, to make the hair. There's sometimes like that thing there. And now let's connect. Yes, like that. Okay. Now let's draw her face. So let's draw her eyes first. We're gonna make big circles. And I like making the style under the eyes. It looks cute. Okay, and a bigger circle and a smaller circle. Now let's color in. Just like that. And let's make the second eye and also color in. So a big circle, like the one we made right here. This one. And same style, repeat the same step. Bigger circle and a smaller circle. Now let's color it in. Okay, now let's make the eyelashes. Obviously, she's a girl, so there. That's the eyelashes. Eyelashes on the second eye. Yes, like that. Okay, now let's make eyebrows. One over here. And the second one. Now let's make the smile. So, like a normal smile. Yes, like that. Okay, now let's make the hair, the best part. Okay, we're gonna start from here. And start to curve a bit. We're gonna stop like over here because I want to make a flower. It's gonna make it look cute because she is a cute girl. And keep coming down and stop over here. Perfect. Okay, now let's make some details. Like first let's make the flower, then we're gonna make the details. So a clumsy star flower. Okay, yes. And a circle. Okay, now let's make a little bit of details. Yes, now let's make the second hair. Wait, not the second hair, like the other side. She's not bald from other side. Okay, so let's come down from there. And connect. Okay, now let's make her neck. So her neck starts from here. And the second one like that. Okay, now let's make her dress. So she has a short-sleeved shirt. First, we're gonna make the first part of the shirt like that. And the sleeve, the short sleeve, yes. And on this side. Yes, like that. And of course we're gonna make her hands. But before making her hands, we're gonna make her frock. Like the type, some girls do, like tie their jacket to make their skirt. So we're gonna do that. Let's make a bow over here. Circle. And this is the bow. Okay, now let's complete the bow, like some strips of the bow when you tie them. Yes, like that. And now let's make the actual, skirt. Jacket turn into a skirt. Wow, that's so cool. Okay. Curve like that. Okay. And we're gonna make that, connect that side. This comes in details, like this dark area. Yes, and this is the skirt. Connect it. And just some details to make it look cute. Okay. That's the details that I wanted to go through. Okay. Now let's make her hands. So arms, we're gonna start from here. And her first arm, like first side of her arm. And second arm. So I made it a bit easier because it's hard to make hands, as you know. But the hands are gonna go like that. They're not completely hidden. Okay, now let's make her legs. We're gonna start from here and make her second side of the leg. Same thing for the second leg. Now let's make her socks. So we're gonna connect this. It looks like she's in water right now, or her legs are cutting, but it's not gonna be cut anymore. So this is details for the socks. Yes, like that. And the socks. This is her shoes. And this is the socks. I don't know what type of shoes I'm making. I think Crocs, maybe? Yes, I think I'm making Crocs. Because it has holes in it. Okay, the second socks. plus the shoe, the croc, I meant. Circles everywhere. Okay, that looks so cute. I just want to give some details on her hair because, of course, it's the best part of all. Yes, details like that. Cute. What do you think of my drawing, guys? Do tell me in the comment section below. And hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye.